In this video, I will show you how to download Ezviz to your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. Now, if you want to download or install the Ezviz application to your smart TV, this is what you have to do. The first thing is for you to go to this application called Downloader. If you don't have this application downloaded on your smart TV, do not worry. In the description of this video, there is a link there that's going to guide you to install this application downloader. So once you install the application downloader, all you have to do is install it for it to launch it. Once you launch your application, this is how the application does. So what this application does is that it gives you various sources on the internet where you go find applications, documents, files, or anything you want to download to your smart TV. So it's a very important application that you have on your smart TV. Now once you come over here, come to the box here and type in Ezviz. Once you type in the keyword, always make sure that you are typing in the right keyword. Once you type in the right keyword, come over and click on Go. As you click on Go, Downloader is going to show you various places on the internet where you can install the Ezviz application. And as you can see on my screen, here are they. So once you're here, just scroll to the bottom, just scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see here's the application. Here's the right link. So you click on this, and you click on this, this can be challenging to click on at times, but just click on this. Once you click on this link, it's going to lead you to where you can install the Ezviz application to your smart TV. And here is it. You just have to click on download or install, and it's installed straight away to your smart TV. Like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you found it helpful.